Hello, all engineers. Welcome to
अब इतना
episode number
start
24
कर,
of.
मेन में रुक बहुत फास्ट जा रहे हो तुम. Welcome to episode 24 of Unengineered Podcast, and we are gonna talk about so many scams. Flipkart का scam, Robinhood का. Well, it's not technically a scam. दोनों scam नहीं है, but ऐसा येड़ा है क्या वैसा.
सीन हो गया था.
हाँ, सीन हो गया था. B-bomb फंस गया बीच में.
Oh man. Sorry. I really feel sorry about B-bomb. I
लेता.
think B-bomb is the closest we have right now to MKBHD.
हाँ, exactly.
है ना?
हाँ. Indian creators are.
I'm
हाँ,
sorry.
unengineered तो MKBHD के ऊपर
Unengineered तो compare भी नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ, वही exactly. But
MKBHD to scale, we are beyond the scale. ठीक है.
हाँ, वही.
First of all, we're gonna talk about the entire Wall Street bets versus Robinhood.
GameStop.
Versus with Robinhood and GameStop versus Melvin Capital, I would say. We're going to talk about that. We're going to explain some certain key elements. We're going to talk about the repercussional rise and the fall of Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Nokia and AMC and a bunch of other stocks. Yeah, and a bunch of other stocks. I'm gonna talk about it.
Let's swing it.
AMC is, if you don't know, American movie cinema something. Basically
a dying company.
Basically a dying company
Huh.
which is dying due to Netflix and other OTT platforms. Like they own theaters and they run theaters. That company.
Flipkart.
The Flipkart
covered that.
scam. उसका थोड़ा scene हो गया. We're going to talk about that as well. So yeah.
So let's start with Robinhood. Once upon a time, there was this subreddit called Wall Street Bet. It's once upon a time क्योंकि अभी वो archive हो गया subreddit. I don't think they are allowed to post anymore.
Ah damn.
हाँ. So what happened was there was this guy who realized they got a wind of Melvin Capital, right? That they had borrowed a lot of GameStop stocks, and that sold it. So the way shorting works is if you sell a stock, if you borrow stock from someone, tell them कि 1 year बाद I'll return the stock, and then you sell the stock, and then you expect 1 year बाद उसका price कम हो जाएगा because it's a dying company like GameStop. You do it with dying companies, and 1 year बाद वो stock कम हो जाएगा. Then you buy the stock again at a lesser price, and then you give the stock back to the person you borrowed it from. So that way you make a profit. The difference is your profit. The problem is if the stock goes up, then you're
Yeah.
screwed.
Correct. I'll give you I'll make it simple. I'll give you an example. ठीक है तो वेदस से मैंने एक पोकेमॉन कार्ड लिया, ठीक है.
हाँ.
और मैंने बोला वेदस ये 100 रुपए का कार्ड है, मैं तेरे से बोरो कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेरे को 1 महीने बाद वापस कर दूंगा, ठीक है. आई टुक दैट 100 रुपी वर्थ का कार्ड 4000 का. आई गेव इट टू अद्वैत, ठीक है. अद्वैत को मैंने बेचा 100 रुपए में, ठीक है. मैंने अद्वैत को दिया, अद्वैत ने मुझे 100 रुपए दिया, ठीक है. करेक्ट. एंड देन 1 महीने बाद राइट वो कार्ड का वैल्यू हो जाता है 90 रुपए, करेक्ट. 90 rupees. So I buy it back from Advait and
For
instead of
90
giving
rupees.
100 rupees, I give him 90 rupees. मेरे पास क्या बचा? 10 रुपए का प्रॉफिट, करेक्ट.
What 10 rupees डाल
10 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट बच गया मेरे पास. एंड देन वो कार्ड मैंने वापस किया
वेदस को
वेदस को.
तो अभी का 10 rupees का profit हो.
Yes, exactly. Vedas got his card back. He got duped. I got the money. Right? That's what Melvin Capital was doing with GameStop stock, right?
Yes.
It was buying lots and lots of GameStop stock, not from Vedas, but from the market. Like they were buying it and they were borrowing it and they were selling it for a certain price and they were expecting कि आगे जाके उसका प्राइस कम हो जाएगा और वो प्रॉफिट कमा लेंगे, right?
Now let's go to some alternate universe. ठीक है. अतीक वेदस से कार्ड लिया, अतीक मेरे को बेचा, एंड मेरा बहुत सारा लोग आ गया saying मुझे चाहिए. अब मैं प्राइस बढ़ा रहा हूँ कार्ड का. It's reaching 1000, it's reaching 10,000, जितना भी रीच हो रहा है, ठीक है. It's reaching big heights. अभी 1 month हो गया, and Vedas is like कार्ड किधर है bro?
Yes.
Because he wants his 4000 back.
Yeah.
अब what will Atik do? Atik has to pay the 10,000 upfront.
Yeah, correct.
So if you see ये price कितना भी ऊपर जा सकता है, the losses can be unlimited, and that is exactly what happened with these hedge funds.
My God.
So they had to borrow it from their friends, the money again,
Yeah.
and hedge funds have each other's back, so someone gave them $3 billion
Yeah, they
to
gave
buy
them,
it, and they were saved basically. So coming back to the story, they got wind of these hedge funds.
They is Wall Street bet.
They is Wall Street bets got the wind of these hedge funds had short. It's called taking
Shorting.
a short position.
Short position.
They had taken a short position, big amounts, man. They had taken a lot, borrowed a lot of stock and sold it on open market, and these guys got a wind of it. And I don't know, Redditors got normal behavior. Let's fuck these guys. So
Yeah.
they decided to buy more stock, GameStop ka, and
Yeah.
that
They decided to buy as many shares as possible. And
Huh.
let me tell you, for context, when all of this started, there were, I think, 3 million or 4 million Redditors on that subreddit, right?
Abhi kuch 600.
Abhi kuch 7 million hai, theek hai?
Achha, 7 million. sorry.
Yeah. So there's a lot of people, right? And even if, say, 20% of them, 30%, I'm sure a lot more than that
Mhm.
did what they did, because like it's a subreddit, so
I mean,
people
who
with
wouldn't want to fuck
there are
a
people
big
with-
hedge fund? And I would buy it.
yeah,
if
same. I
was-
would do the same thing, right? So all of them decided to buy as many shares as possible. उससे क्या हुआ? The share price of GameStop went up exponentially, right? And so now you would have understood by the example कि Melvin Capital जैसे hedge funds, they realized कि हमारा बहुत बड़ा loss होगा, right? To stop their losses, right? They decided to, देखो यार, जब तुम्हारा लॉस हो रहा है तो तुम ये सोचते हो कि मैं कम लॉस कैसे लूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ.
ये तुम्हारा मेंटालिटी होता है. तो मेलविन ट्राइड टू बाय द शेयर्स बैक, राइट?
Because they had to
हाँ,
return.
दे हैड टू रिटर्न द शेयर्स. वेदस को उनको वापस देना था
Yes.
स्टॉक, राइट? सो दे वर लाइक, भाई अभी बाय कर लेते, कम लॉस होगा, इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग इट लेटर व्हेन बहुत ज्यादा लॉस होगा. बट व्हेन दे ट्राइड टू बाय शेयर्स, दे रियलाइज कि जितने भी शेयर्स है ना, सब ये लोग ने खरीद लिए, राइट? और शेयर्स बचे ही नहीं मार्केट पे, राइट?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's what short squeezing is. The people who are demanding for GameStop shares is Melvin Capital at this point and subredditors. ठीक है, इतना डिमांड है. So now the price is going very very high, and जितना प्राइस हाई जा रहा है उतना ज़्यादा पैसा मेलविन कैपिटल जैसे hedge funds lose कर रहे हैं. And at the peak of this loss, when they filed for bankruptcy, they had lost $3 billion. 30 बोलने वाला ना. They had lost $3 billion. So yeah, and like that was the pinnacle of the entire incident. ठीक है? That's what a short squeeze is. When you buy all the shares on the market, so there are less shares left, and you are squeezing the people who are shorting that share. So Melvin Capital, after a certain point, वो लोग खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे थे by trying to buy it back, because that just resulted in their losses increasing.
That is a shorting as a okay short. It's not that shorting is bad per se. It's really important to.
It's not unethical. honestly.
It's not unethical.
It's been done since the stock market has existed.
No. The one more reason why they allow shorting या जो भी borrowing and selling. This is only allowed in stock market. You can't sell a house that you don't own. You can't sell a car that you don't own. You can't sell anything that you don't own. Except stocks. You can sell stocks that you don't own.
हाँ.
So one of the reasons I was reading a thread कि क्यों allowed है? Why is it allowed? And one of the reasons was because these shorting वाला people ना, they act as vigilantes. They expose companies and all malpractices happening in a company just for their profit. So that's one important reason why shorting is here.
Correct.
But again, I don't know how. And it's not their job to do it, but it's the consequence of that. So that is one of the reasons why shorting
That's
is
smart.
still-
I didn't think of that.
Okay, now let's come to Robinhood.
Yeah.
So what
So Robinhood is basically the Zerodha of बाहर का US, ठीक है? It is a stock broker. It is a discount broker, whatever you want to call it. जहाँ people can make demat accounts and they can.
It's basically
Trade
what
stocks.
these Redditors use to buy stocks.
हाँ, right.
So Melvin Capital has a very good friend, Citadel.
Yes.
What happened was Melvin Capital was going bankrupt, but I mean these guys gave them some money to stay afloat. And
Who are these guys? Citadel is also another hedge fund.
they just
सब लोग ऐसा close रहते हैं market.
It's like a group of bullies, but one bully got beat down by a bunch of kids, and the other bully came to save it. The thing is that Citadel gives 35% of the business to Robinhood.
Yes.
They are like a big customer Robinhood ka. So they bullied them to stop trading on that stock. So Robinhood stopped people from buying that stock.
That's what the speculation is on the market.
That's
There doesn't
speculation
seem
right
to
now.
be any other viable reason why Robinhood stopped trading specifically GameStop stock.
GameStop and other meme stocks.
Another
right?
meme stocks. I'll tell you about those meme stocks and why
AMC
they began
and
rising.
Joby.
Yeah, I'll tell you why they began rising. They're not exactly because of a Redditor.
So Robinhood stopped trading, and that pissed every Redditor off.
Yeah. Yes. Correct.
And there is one thing about Redditor. You don't mess with them in a wrong way, because these guys went on to big lengths. They found other trading platforms in
Yeah.
एक
Obviously.
some went through ऐसा Asia के through and then creating an account there and then buying the stock. These guys went mad. And the bad part is, like, the evil part is, people using Robinhood couldn't buy, but these hedge funds could buy
Yes.
because they use some other means of buying stuff.
Yes.
So they were able to buy stock, but these guys weren't.
Hmm.
So they kind of got saved,
Hmm.
and this pissed a lot of people off. AOC,
Yeah, because it's
and-
unfair. Dude.
it's unfair.
Like you're stopping a particular set of people from buying, and you're letting these big hedge funds run by billionaires to buy. It's not fair. It's not a free market.
Yeah, and I think it pissed off a lot of politicians. too.
Yeah,
Congressmen too.
absolutely,
I
as it
saw
should.
tweets from AOC and everyone. There's
As
been
it should.
investigation and stuff.
Yeah.
Robinhood is screwed thodu, but I guess they did the math कि जितना इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जाने वाला है उससे काफी ज्यादा वो लॉस में जाता है if these
Correct.
Redditors were allowed to do it.
Correct.
But people have lost trust in Robinhood. I don't know where that company, and people won't leave it for sure.
Hmm.
But there is that loss of trust.
Hmm.
These Robinhood was supposed to be with the people, and
Correct.
Elon Musk even tweeted, "I'm not mad at Vlad. Vlad is the CEO of Robinhood.
Hmm.
I'm just disappointed because,
Hmm.
like every other person having an iPhone, they had a house party call, Clubhouse
Clubhouse.
call. Okay, they had a Clubhouse call, and it's recorded. You can go and watch it on YouTube. And Elon Musk asked Vlad, why, buddy, why did you stop it? And I listened to that call, and I was like, okay, ठीक है, चलो, finally that guy is speaking up. And starting में it looked okay, making sense, but after some point it's bullshit. So the reason Vlad gave was NECC, some national securities
Yeah.
thing of US. They ask for some deposit if your trades are very volatile.
Yes.
This is the reason he gave.
And
And-
by volatile means the value of your trades is very ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, because that was what was happening with GameStop, right? The value was going up, skyrocketing like crazy, and then coming down, then skyrocketing like crazy. That's essentially what a volatile market or a volatile stock is. You don't know where it's gonna go next, right?
Yeah. And I guess.
Hmm.
I mean, I'm not.
No, that
100%
is it.
sure.
That is it.
So he says Robinhood got a check of $3 billion.
Yeah.
इसमें deposit.
As a deposit, तुम deposit करो क्योंकि तुम्हारा जो shares जो trade हो रहा है, that
हाँ.
is very volatile. Put this as security deposit. We want that.
I
essentially.
guess that happened.
Yeah.
And 3 billion is a big. I mean, it's not a big amount for someone like Elon Musk or so. But Vlad mentioned it's a big amount for them because recently they got an investment of 2 billion. So it was way out of their pay grade, I guess.
Yeah, it was.
So what they decided, this was at 3 a.m. Okay, Vlad was sleeping and the operations team was there doing all this. So they came together, they talked to the NECC and stuff, and they brought it down to 1.4 billion. And then they made some deal ki we'll stop people from buying it, they can sell it, we'll stop people from buying it, and then it came down to 700 million, which is I think the normal figure that they have to pay anyway.
Yeah.
So they paid it, they put the deposit or something in, and they stopped trading until the markets are open, something like that. So you see the problem here, right? These guys can't buy, the others can't buy, so it's not fair. So that is what happened. It's a running story, I guess, open story.
It is an open story.
There's an
We'll link
investigation here.
Johnny Harris's video also in the description.
हाँ,
You can check it out.
He explains it in a
He
great
explains it
way.
very well. Coincidentally, I used his only example of the
हाँ,
Pokemon
we
card.
did watch it. हमने बीच में देख लिया था, तभी watched it. It was like, oh shit, fair.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is essentially what happened with Robinhood. And again, coming back to our narrative of social media.
When he's bringing about the topic of social media, I wanna talk about how some people with influence can affect stock market prices, right? So
Oh, अच्छा.
back then, Elon Musk tweeted, use Signal, and the stock price of Signal नाम का कोई दूसरा company का गया ऊपर, regardless.
So
That's not the point.
Messenger, it's not a public company.
Yeah, it's a
an
non-for-profit.
non-for-profit, and there was some company whose ticker was Signal, and आगे कहाँ तो-
उसका stock price ऊपर चला गया. So that's what even when Elon Musk put hashtag Bitcoin in his Twitter bio, उसका price चला गया. He tweeted out Dogecoin का एक पिक्चर उसका फिर डोजकॉन का ये चला गया ऊपर. मिया खलीफा ट्वीटेड बाय AMC बाय नोकिया, उनका चला गया ऊपर. So I
हाँ.
think that's why Nokia and AMC went up. Not they were not like they were not. It was not because of Reddit. But she put in an Instagram story where she told people to buy BlackBerry, AMC, Nokia, and GameStop. Guess what Robinhood did? They stopped trading of BlackBerry, AMC, and Nokia as well because उनके भी stock price ऊपर जा रहे थे. Yeah, exactly. So that is where social media comes in. I see a future where companies are sponsoring social media influencers to increase their stock price.
हाँ वही ना, अभी तो ये
That's
genius.
I can totally see it happening from now on. I think CEOs are often applauded for their ability to bring the stock price of their respective companies
CEOs are
up.
rewarded.
CEOs are rewarded actually if that happens when they get instilled into the organization, right? So is it going to be that difficult to increase the stock price of your company from now on? Are CEOs even gonna be worth?
And all this is happening because of the pandemic. पहले तो pandemic में everyone got into trading.
Yeah. Oh my God.
हाँ.
Pandemic में, as I was talking, TikTok. Oh my God. There is a Twitter handle by the name of TikTok Investors, right? Which is a parody which is making fun of all these TikTok stock market gurus who are out there spreading fake information, selling their expensive ass courses to people who are out of employment and sitting at home and want to make quick money. It's a big problem. You should also watch CoffeeZilla. He talks about all these fake TikTokers. He has a series where he exposes all these scamsters. That is where social media comes in when it comes to the stock market, right? You can influence people. You can influence people to do the wrong stuff. You can tell them to do the right stuff, because in the end, the stock market is a subject that not a lot of people understand. It's a very niche amount of people who get it or who indulge in it. It's not a mainstream topic. Even though there are a lot of people, it's still not a majority of the people. At least in India, I can tell.
India में तो
And it's good that people in India got into trading, but what happened was they got into trading in a very small amount of time. So we need people who can disperse proper information, like Tanmay Bhatt, for example. He's giving amazing financial help. CA Rachna Ranade is also another person who talks about
she
stocks.
got really famous.
She got उनका channel बहुत बढ़ गया. I think we've talked about it in the previous podcast. But she
talked about it mall
में, right. So she hit 1 million subscribers just because of the pandemic. People were sitting at home. They were trying to learn more about personal finance, and she disperses that information in a very, very effective manner. Go check her out. To stay away from TikTok, stay away from social media. Do not take financial advice from people who are not qualified to do so. Even Tanmay Bhatt calls his CA friend to legally give out proper financial advice, right? He does not himself do it.
I think it's illegal to give out.
It's illegal to give it out. You can't do it unless you're certified, unless you're professionally educated. You can't do it.
Exactly. We made a podcast about some stock market.
Yes. We had to put a disclaimer कि भाई मत सुनो हमारे पास. So yeah, stay away from TikTok. Look at please try to educate yourself properly, because whenever some certain topic goes viral or a lot of people get in on the topic in a very short amount of time, there are other people who are waiting to take advantage of these people who are misinformed or who are uninformed, to dupe them or trick them into buying courses or buying certain stocks, and then these people get losses and then they lose money. I don't want that to happen to you guys. Okay.
So as I was saying, the effect of social media on this, up tak it was just used to bring riots and
just
overturn elections, overthrow government. Bas utna, everyday thing. This was the first time. I mean, it's not good. किसी का loss हो रहा है, it's not good, and the hedge funds weren't doing anything illegal. It's just that people hate these hedge funds so much for the. I don't know why they hate them.
Look, the thing is, there are people who have certain opinions which say ki, oh, you don't have a problem with hedge funds making the stock prices of these small companies go down because they will profit from it. You are okay with them doing that. You're okay with hedge funds making profits on other people's losses. But when actual middle class people are making profits on the hedge funds losses, तुमको फिर problem हो रहा है, तुम बंद कर रहे हो trading. That's the opinion that some people have. And I agree with it. It's a completely valid argument.
It's just that people hate hedge funds. That's the general consensus.
Yes.
And for once, someone used
Huh.
social media for.
Yes, if people can come together against these hedge funds and make them lose actual money, I think that was a differentiating factor, right? Because usually what happens, India का example ले ले, we ban products, we boycott people, but उससे उनका monetary loss इतना substantial amount में नहीं होता है, right?
हाँ.
For the first time, people, a company, a big corporation, giant, a very powerful person,
हाँ.
in the end lost a lot of money, right? They came to the edge of bankruptcy because some people on social media came together.
हाँ, but and it didn't hurt anyone that much. It's $100 per person.
Again, exactly. I think, I don't know where I heard this, but if you want to counter hedge funds, your volume of trades has to be high. I don't know where I heard this, but I heard it literally yesterday. Your volume of trading has to be high, and that's what that subreddit did, right? They did it right.
And none of them care if they lose the money.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
in it to destroy the hedge fund.
Yeah,
They could have just sold it when it was high and earned a lot of money.
Correct. But they wanted to hold on to the stock and increase the stock price even further.
How if all of them hold on to the stock, I
Bro,
don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't think a lot of them did. Like over time, obviously, some of them
Thoda
sold
base,
it.
yeah.
Yeah. But I mean,
Good job, Reddit.
good job, right?
I don't know.
I support that. I'm on the side of these guys.
I don't know. You
Because-
might need investment from Melon Capital sometime.
Shit. Holy shit, you shouldn't have said that. But I saw a lot of stories where people were really like, oh my god, thank you so much guys, तुम्हारे वजह से मेरा student loan pay हो रहा है, I can pay for my mom's medical bills. I saw a lot of wholesome stories. So I was like, man, it's worth it. F Melvin Capital, guys. Yeah.
Chara Melvin. I hope that's a
Yeah.
real person ka name.
Yeah, it's not a real. It is a real person ka name, but it's not owned by that person or anything.
अच्छा, okay. From one scam to the other, let's go to the Flipkart वाला. अभी ठीक है, Melvin Capital was still ऐसा correct इसमें Flipkart.
Yeah, it wasn't a scam. The only scam part was कि Robinhood trading money कर दिया. That was the only scam
Let's
part.
come to Flipkart. Now, Flipkart thought, and it's a good thought. I'm just imagining that one person who came to CEO of Flipkart and was like, इधर
Bro,
there is someone.
एक दिन में पैसा डबल. 21 दिन में, sorry, 25 दिन में पैसा डबल. That's what he said.
Okay, so people at Flipkart thought that we couldn't do maths. What happened was Flipkart decided it was a good idea to launch something that seems too good to be true. अब पहले too good to be true का दो side है.
Ah, yes.
पहले तो be careful always that. Second of all, the person who's giving the too good to be true वाला scheme ना, make it so that at least समझ लिया है वे clearly. ये C4 Tech simple maths करके समझाया तुम्हारा scam. At least
Yeah.
make it more.
Yeah, difficult to understand.
हाँ, make it difficult to understand.
Yeah. I mean, if basically इसका point ये है कि अगर तुम थोड़ा भी मैथ्स लगाओगे ना, तुमको समझेगा कि ये scam क्यों है.
हाँ.
It was very easy to decode it.
Well, it's like I'm insulted कि you thought मैं इतना खराब scam से scam होगा.
Yeah, it was a yeah.
The scheme is a money back guarantee वाला thing.
Hmm.
So you buy the phone, you pay the full price upfront, and at the end of 1 year, which is 12 months or 18 months,
Up to you. You can
up to you, you can get
Return the
100%, 60% and 80%. In 3 tiers.
3 theater.
And उसके हिसाब से you have to take a monthly subscription. कि 1,500 का there is a subscription, you take it, you pay the price every month, and then at the end of the 12 या 18 month का period, you give the phone back. कोई भी condition में चलेगा, as long as the IMEI number is there. So you give it back, you get the पूरा amount that you paid for the phone back.
Correct.
And this monthly subscription के साथ they are giving you Hotstar and ये different subscription का पैसा. So it's not like the subscription is a waste person. This is how they tell. Let's take 100% money back wala. It costed around 1,500 per month.
Correct.
And they gave you services like Hotstar Premium. There are some good ones.
हाँ,
So
फिटनेस
ये-
का एक था और एक प्रैक्टो, मतलब डॉक्टर्स का
हाँ,
भी.
this Practo was.
प्रैक्टो का सब्सक्रिप्शन था
क्या
एक.
है Practo?
Practo is it's like a online platform. It's like a LinkedIn for doctors. Like you can find doctors, you can consult them, you can get,
Why would
you can
you
book
pay-
appointments.
Why would you pay for it?
There's a Practo Pro. I don't know. You have additional features. You have, you'll be prioritized if you book up. You'll get an early appointment, stuff like that. समझा?
Anyway,
हाँ,
the thing
yeah.
is, I didn't know the app and I was like,
Yeah.
नहीं चाहिए, मतलब क्यों चाहिए सर? And there is some Practo, okay, Practo अब इसको पता था, but there are some other services जिनका कोई point नहीं था. I mean,
Docs
these are
app.
just waste.
Docs app
हाँ.
Pro करके.
Why have Docs app is
Docs
other
app.
doctors का ना?
No, Docs app. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a document something.
I
Dogs
thought
are-
it is dogs.
No, it's not dog.
See, we don't even know the ये. And
We
they're
don't-
offering subscription इसका and Hotstar Premium वगैरह they constitute at least थोड़ू सा ही price. These Practa and all are the major 1,500 का contributing.
Correct.
So Flipkart is giving you subscription that you don't need, and Flipkart को they gave them at subsidized rates, and Flipkart is giving you market rates. So Flipkart is earning there.
So what you are doing is you are paying 15,000 for the phone. You are paying 1,500 per month for say 12 months, right? So अगर तुमने 12 महीने का 100% कैशबैक वाला ऑफर लिया तो यू हैव टू पे 1,500 पर मंथ फॉर दैट मेंबरशिप. उसके साथ तुम्हारे ये सब सब्सक्रिप्शन आ रहा है आलतू फालतू एंड देन यू हैव ऑलरेडी पेड 15,000 फॉर द फोन, राइट? सो टोटल हाउ मच हैव यू पेड? 15 into 12 which is 15 tens are 15,000
18.
and then
1,500 into 12 is 18,000.
हाँ 15,000. हाँ तो 18,000 plus 15,000 तुमने पे कर दिया है फ्लिपकार्ट को, राइट? सो यू हैव पेड दैट मच टू फ्लिपकार्ट एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ 12 months you are giving back your phone and getting back how much? You're getting back 15,000. So you have given 33,000 to Flipkart and you have gotten back 15,000. So you have given Flipkart essentially what 18,000, right?
18,000.
You've given them 18,000 for what? For these subscriptions which do not even cost 18,000 a year, right?
उसमें से Flipkart का खुद का subscription है.
या उसमें फ्लिपकार्ट का खुद का मोबाइल का केयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन है.
And okay, this was another point that C4 Retech brought up बाद में, that Flipkart is advertising it as phone कोई भी हालत में हो will buy it back, IMEI number दिखना चाहिए तो.
Yes.
But the entire point of Flipkart's
Mobile protection.
mobile protection is to keep your phone intact. I mean, you can use that insurance in case कुछ phone को होता है तो.
Correct.
So they're first asking you to pay for some insurance, then selling you कि कुछ भी हुआ तब भी खरीद लेंगे. Flipkart is advertising it as कि phone कोई भी हालत में हो will take it back as long as the IMEI number is visible. But they are selling you Flipkart phone insurance too. So first you're supposed to pay to keep your phone in the right conditions with the insurance, and then you're paying for this plan also, which is buy your phone in any condition. So it's like कोई भी condition हो you're paying for it. So that seems bit dumb. Although ठीक है, मतलब इतना लूटे हो तो this seems fine. But if you do the simple math ना, we didn't show ऐसा complex math.
हाँ हमने सिंपल डम डाउन किया तुम्हारे लिए
हाँ.
मैथ, खुद के लिए भी आपके लिए भी.
But if you see the simple math, just add हर month का ये, go
Yes.
to the individual pages का individual subscription.
Don't do it. We'll put a video in the description. Watch that video
हाँ,
by
वही,
C4 Retech.
C4 Retech का वो video है. And it's not even like
डिफिकल्ट
Hotstar
मैथ भी
का
नहीं है.
प्रीमियम नहीं है, it's
हाँ.
Hotstar VIP.
हाँ हॉटस्टार का
Don't count that.
सेकंड बेस्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन.
सेकंड बेस्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन which is useless. पहले तो
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्यों बनाया VIP. इंग्लिश मूवीज हिंदी में देखना पड़ता है.
Really?
हाँ, Hotstar VIP में you can watch it in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi. English movies English में नहीं देख सकता. लेकिन ठीक है, scam इसको scam नहीं बोल सकते. You sign everything and
Yeah, I mean you agree to the terms and conditions, man. You are dumb if you agree to it. That's all we want to say.
So we call them scams because येड़ा बना रहा है.
Yeah.
But at least थोड़ा और छुपा लेते.
हाँ.
I mean, and
Yeah.
these guys paid influencer. B-Bomb was one of them, sadly,
Yeah.
who got caught in the act.
Yeah. B-Bomb didn't realize that it was a scam or it was unfair to the customer. Let's not call it a scam.
हाँ, it was
He'll be
unfair.
sued by Flipkart. It was unfair to the customer. B-Bomb didn't realize it. I guess.
But it was at least थोड़ा well planned because everyone was making money. The phone manufacturer, people उनका advertising.
Very smart. Very smart.
Flipkart was making money. The services were making money, and the influencer who were promoting it were making money. The only people losing money was you.
Yep. You were paying for all their fees.
हाँ.
You're paying like 10,000 extra, something crazy like that.
Okay, this would make sense अगर वो लोग S21, iPhone 12 ये सब पे
Yes.
करेंगे.
Yeah. That was my first thought. I was
हाँ.
like, कि if I want to keep a phone temporarily, I'll buy an expensive phone, right? मैं 15,000 का मैं 12 महीने क्यों? Why would I want to
हाँ,
switch a cheap phone again and again, right? मैं महंगे phones अगर बार-बार use कर रहा हूँ, तो that's more
Because
profitable.
that math breaks down if you're buying 90,000 का phone.
हाँ. Because मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले ये आइडिया, वाह मैं तो 90,000 का फोन ले लूंगा, 12 महीने में वापस कर दूंगा, मिल जाएगा पैसा. अमेजिंग.
हाँ, वही ना.
बट दे वेरी स्मार्ट. फ्लिपकार्ट इज वेरी स्मार्ट. वो लोग ने लिमिट रखा है कि 17,000 तक के ही फोन.
उसके बाद the math breaks down.
हाँ
कि
उसके बाद
they're
वो
not
लोग
making
इतना प्रॉफिट नहीं कमाते.
वो लोग profit कमाएं, loss that.
ओ लॉस में आते हैं क्या?
Okay.
नाइस.
अरे ऑब्वियसली 90 आई मीन तू कितना भी सब्सक्रिप्शन ले ले अगर 20,000
हाँ, बराबर।
और वो लोग
बराबर।
90,000 का वापस भी ले रहे हैं तो
Correct,
10,000
correct.
का ये था ना
Correct.
तो bad move.
Don't do it. Flipkart, don't sign up for their.
This is why I use Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon doesn't need to scam you to earn lots of money. They're already earning
मैं
way
try
too
किया
much.
पता है क्या there is this credit card का ऑफर अभी Amazon पे ICICI बैंक के साथ मैं रजिस्टर करने का ट्राई किया बट इट इज 21 and above.
Good. Very good.
ये तो ऑफ टॉपिक हो गया बट दैट्स अबाउट इट फॉर दिस एपिसोड ऑफ पॉडकास्ट. आई होप ये जल्दी रिलीज हो ताकि वी आर स्टिल रेलेवेंट. आई वांट दैट
Yeah,
रॉबिन हुड का व्यूज.
We hope the SEO pulls through in time. We hope we publish in the time. But yes, I mean, there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes at Unengineered. We suggest that you follow us on Instagram.
We have 3 Instagram pages. Follow them if you want to get hired again. Yes, get
Yeah,
more SEO.
We're gonna put yes, we're gonna finally put hiring call. We didn't put hiring call in the last episode का title, so इतना views नहीं आया. अभी हम ये इसमें डाल देंगे.
Yes, another hiring call.
Because we are hiring for backend engineer and ML engineer. So if you are eligible, जल्दी sign up करो, ठीक है?
Yeah. We have 16 applications.
Yeah, we have 16 applications so far. Follow us on LinkedIn for those applications. Follow us on Instagram for updates. All 3 pages. Follow us on YouTube Shorts, YouTube Clips. My God, बहुत सारा होगा. Follow Advait on Instagram. Follow Atik on Instagram. Follow Photo Dada and Vedas Kurtarkar on Instagram.
That is how you spell it.
Yeah,
Sorry, pronounce it.
Let's go, boys. And we will see you in the next episode of the Unengineered podcast. And until then, do not forget, please do not forget to buy GameStop stock and get Unengineered. We'll see you.
क्या
Bye.
क्या? वेदस खुश हो गया. वेदस खुश हुआ.
First time, जिंदगी.